When I call baby boy come, one see the baby boy. When I call him come, baby boy show. I don't understand. Baby boy, your callers when they call me, they beg. Your callers are begging. Your callers are begging. Your callers are begging. Baby boy, show me perigold. Me go. But they fear you and I your rats who you put for us. He use bottle design person face. The person no conscient. The person no can know again. Me use acid, bath person, I use acid, bath person, The person see me, recognize me, but he no see mouth say talk. The person he see me, he recognize me, say, now this girl, now he bath me with acid. May he no see mouth talk. Who they breathe for social media? I don't understand. And you're gay. I want you. Never see anything. Your followers, they tell you, say, Perry no fit do anything. Perry get mama. Perry get my papa. For this Europe when me dey so, I no fit take this Europe say I go just dey empty. Nothing dey sup, nothing fit happen. Guys, say nothing dey sup. All those you swear when they go, you go swear so with all those your drunk ass native daughter. Know they pass ceiling. Now where they for swear and go deal with their family. Nothing they sup. Where this tobacco on that side. Nothing they sup. Who they breathe for social media and I don't understand. May your followers they come and inbox now. Come they apologize to me. Your callers, they come they apologize to me. Your prayer warrior. When say me cause when between you and my brother, they come they apologize to me. Perry, you know you are my sister. How dare you talk to me? How dare you support a and you come and call me your sister? Me, Perry. I'm on break now. Who they breathe for social media? I don't understand. Boss, bonjour. Ah oui, les tabacs now, madame. Bonjour. Excusez-moi. Vous vendez le cas ici? Les Kamobi?
Non, je ne vois pas.
Non. Who they breathe for social media? Talk to my mama. Talk to my papa. You curse my family. Family where you curse in yogi. We get small children. We get picking where they born last month for my family. No tabak is on who? Now you be the tabak, they no open. Oh God. I don't forget like I have recharge card now. I'll use this my phone to call them more because here I be now. I go call this boy, me send me Italy like her because my Italy like her will feel see. Well, I will just check what I'll feel recharge with my card online. When they go us, they break. They cost. How many people children? How many people mama? You don't carry on social media. Anybody don't go swear for you. They phone say you go swear for Perry. You go swear for Perry. Then they see picking where the Europe we know where mama no stand for. Then they see picking where the Europe where they know they stand for. Nothing they happen in your game. You and your I'll buy online. They go ask me go buy online. Cannot they use like Canada SFA they use. And because say family this, family that. Network they say they good for Nigeria. So I need to they call with like a sim. You not fit oh. You not fit do anything oh. You see that's why when you swear so they go return and give your family. You go hit them. We know they swear when they take years before you walk Now 7 days our swear till they walk. 7 days you swear. Pray say no let me one you swear this swear for. My people don't wake up now. They don't work now because they talk and say if no let me one the boy swear for it go too good for her. May if you call family put now that person go bad for her. You know my family. You know the kind of large family where I for come. My grandparents now 12 children they born. This is now all those piano family. is Perigodi? Who is Perigodi? You dey fear one kill you. Who is Perigodi? Who is Perigodi? You dey post your children. I cover them with the blood of Jesus. No. I no get mama wey go post me, cover me. I no get papa wey go post me, cover me. When you dey curse my mama and my papa, you don't know say you first cover your children before you curse my mama and my papa. Nothing they do my network. Now me no, now my hand they touch. They do my network. I find a 5G they use. My 5G network they use. When you dey curse my mama and my papa for Facebook, they not tell you say this girl na death as she for come. They not tell you say this girl family they chop people. They not tell you say this girl family they chop people. Eh? They not tell you say this girl family they chop people. When you dey trauma they give my family, you dey craze. You lie for my head and I make donation boy put for Europe. That one alone, reach out to my mama go take destroy you. You don't think go take destroy your life. That one alone. Everybody stay calm. None of these people reply you. My mother never carry phone call you till you say, stop. Ordinary small misunderstanding. You put all your whole life for this life, put for my head. Say make I rest. Who your children be? People will not die. Now tomorrow, this way go continue. They go they do for Africa, maybe they do for Europe. People like say you don't know. That one they talk say in they fly. That's why they fly, they talk and say they fly. I mean they follow and they play before social media. Come they follow and they fry egg and kankai. Egg and kankai. Follow and they fry egg and kankai for social media. No more frying of egg. Let's do it. Let's go spiritual, baby boy. And don't go swear for Perry. If I post what I do for Perry, what do you do for Perry? So all those old men go gather together. They go swear for Perry. So we no go come out for Nigeria. So we no go fly. We no go come out for. We no go fly sink. And no get me Perry. I go throw madness give you. When if I talk to my mama, I go tell you say, go my mama be see as it is. My mama no dey talk oh. But person go talk for my mama day. They crazy. You dey mad. Everybody they cause. I do you something, you face me. Talk to my pikin, talk to my mama, talk to my papa. I don't reply you. 3 days I go offline for your matter. Your wife they talk say you not do anything. You not do anything. Now too small for me. Leave to me you come and be my help. I don't understand. I did break. I go find food chop. I don't understand. And now you know say you want to cover your children with the blood of Jesus. Your callers don't they call me, they beg me now. They don't they beg now. I know all of their voice. They don't they beg. Perry, please, don't involve me. Perry, please don't involve me. It was just cruise. I think when they cash cruise. No, you not gonna go mad for 7 days. If you don't mad for 7 days, finish. You want to come cry for social media. Now there you go, no say, see where me for come. See where me for come. They know they see person. No matter how crazy I am, they know they see person who be say in family go yes they swear for. And okay, you too small for me. Too small. No woman, my grandparents for come. Oh woman, too small. They craze. Yeah, post more. And wait till I do you. I'm not satisfied. And okay, as I go do you something, we be say instantly you don't they mad. No be gist. I believe my brother. I believe my uncles. I believe them. I believe them die. You see me say me call my mama for this issue. Because I know she can't be say she can't stress herself. I don't call my mama because my mama you can't need to come travel, do all those things because now those states she did. You can't need to come travel. No. I don't call my mama. I know I make she travel. I call person wey peace I know say he no go travel. Na in hand death day. Na in hand life day. When my sister make come send me Italy like her. Send me Italy like her. Tell me 10 euro Italy like or 20 euro. Make I later in the evening. I go recharge online. I'll go find like a SIM card buy. You don't understand. Say Perry go fear you. Person will tell you say Perry go back out. You know the person say now juju be that. And okay, I know as my family say okay. Even if I use less for Europe, if I can't come Europe, I not come calculate where me for come. And okay, not be for this one. My family no go hear say person cause say he cause me, make they keep quiet. You cause my papa, you cause my mama, you cause family. You don't get what you know cause. Then you say make I keep quiet. Who the fuck are you? Let me make some noodles. My eat food, Jare. I eat food. I'm ready for this matter. If not this matter will carry Terry enter grave. I'd rather end up for grave than say I rest. And okay, I'd rather end up for my grave than say I rest. If there's go fit carry Yvonne when not do anything, when no one no two, who me be women no go fit die? I'd rather die than say I go rest. And you know, until you put yourself inside. To say all those ones where they come, they break egg for social media. My brother even see egg. He started to cry. He said, hope you fry the egg because egg and fresh pepper be sweet. He said, hope you fry them. At last, I'm not frying because I miss them with this thing. I miss them with kankana children. So you for frying. For frying, you go chop them. As you pound them, so you chop them. They talk about person. They post your children. You they cry. Man, you they post people's children. I wonder how God wants to hear your prayers. So I wonder how God wants to. You know how many people parents don't swear for you? You know the one where they don't do for your back? Where you don't know? I mean, I know where they talk for up. What the fuck are you in your game? You know the one where they don't swear for your back? I be telling because say you come. You and your wife and I feel say be Alpha and Omega. You know people who don't swear for your back. I be not be the same in those states where you for come. All those people where you they post for come. I'm not gonna forget those children. And those children be my targets. And they be my target, oh. I won't forget them all. And besides I go forget them all. My mama will forget them all. After a year waiting, Enoge, when mama talk yesterday, he said she dey fly, yo. He said she dey fly, yo. He said she use something. She be don't care when you use something, take break, take cut in face now. He no recognize you now. She be the head no go worry you. You cut in face. You carry cry when she go cry. You crying. The girl head no go worry you. And no get you go stop saga for my matter. You stop saga for my matter. You see how it be. You feel them. Cause my mama, cause my papa. Listen, send me Italy like her. Wait. Never receive your message. I call my mama. I call my brother. Nobody. No get who they thought say because this person too mumu, may we abandon her. You go not see your family no feel like you. You go not see your family no feel like you. Even as I did like this, so nothing they saw. I'm missing they talk. I'm missing they talk. See nothing they saw. I don't understand. When they chop it, when they fly. When they fly. If you post what you do, Perry. This I don't know what you do, Perry. Say you go pay money. All those old men come gather together. They come, they swear with kind. I know what you do, Perry now. You carry Perry name go shrine. They go, they swear for Perry. He pass down one. What you do, Perry? I go, they do you something like this, and okay, you go, they feel out for your body. I go, they do you something like this, and okay, you go, they feel out for your body. What you do, Perry? What you do, Perry? Now, what the person believe now they happen to her. As you believe say what you do, Perry will feel work for Perry body. That same thing what you do, Perry will happen to your children. Don't be say if I need any native daughter. I tell you say my family is native daughter full line. This is how they like. Go. And not just say people go as a go shuku. Ask them who be obo. Ask them. They will tell you. Family where you dey cause where you don't know. You dey Chris. I be think any of my family members in Europe. None of my family members in Europe. Apart from me, we stop on come Europe, so may God punish your children. May you cry your children. Dey Chris. You cover your children. You cover your children. You don't go straight for Perry. Parent a person pikin o, then you dey cover your children with the blood of God. How your prayer wan take work? They say na wetin person know dey worry am. You don swear for me finish, you dey cover your children. How your prayer wan take work? You are indeed a small boy. A small boy. Indeed a small boy. No, you know I know. My brother raise you, balance you. This one don't know wetin be you. This one don't know wetin be swear. Man, I call them, make I know they waka for your head. Okay, I don't reach this. I don't want to know whether I me wrong you or I me no wrong you. I don't want to know again. The fact say you swear, remain the fact say you swear. And that's on period. Native doctor say you not talk perimata again. Make the swear for work. But I perimata you carry conflict. I wonder how your swear want to work. You know that you don't know anything. You come make I teach you. Now me go give you native doctor. I go give you native doctor. Where be say you go dey swear for a person for your presence. The person go mad. Shut up! Shut up! Everywhere good, they know they fake account people. Make God punish your mama. I don't find you my block you since. Or who kill you? Shut up, man, you get out here. Get out! I mean, you want to advice. Don't advise yourself. If not them fair do. Not them fair do. From the beginning of the thing, I don't see who fair break egg. I don't see who fair swear. I don't see who fair break egg. I don't see who fair lie for my heads. So I make the nation boy. I make the nation boys. Boys when no fuck me. When no give me one, no give money. I carry them donation. They mad. They don't check you balance you yesterday night. They don't check you balance you. They say you don't reach 10,000 naira to take mad. You don't reach. I swear with my life, I don't send 1 naira come up for this house, go Nigeria. Because all those ones where they no say me, I no get money. Even if I get 10 million naira for account today, that one no be money for where they take. I see they talk. Now yourself, you know another person. I see they talk. Sophia, now yourself, you know another person. You were they do bad since they come. Now you want to cover your children. How you want to cover your children when you are evil? When your hand already stained. That person where you say you scatter in face now. You scatter and see you not recognize you. What make you not recognize you? You don't they do evil, they come. You don't feel cover your children from me. You don't feel cover your children from me. You will cry. This is nothing they worry you now. You know what? I go back to work. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know the way you talk now. Like that, so you go fuck. Your pikin die. Wait till now I no reach oh. Wait till now I no reach oh. I will not attack them in silence. I will attack them openly. So that they will know say see who do one. See who do one. 7 days straight madness. I will see to that. Useless people. I wonder why they cover your twins when be God though. Should you say your twins na God? No weapon fashion against your children go free person because they be God. Why you can't they cover them? You know that will do you. You'll see, you know. Don dog, post your pikin birthday address. Now you call for me. Post your pikin birthday address. I will be there live and direct to show you what a mad woman I am. You go see Chris, you go enter house. Post your pikin birthday address. I look at the date on the 19th when you post. How they work that day. I will call them today and say, I'm not working on the 19th. Post your pikin birthday address. Let us go crazy together. Next time you see a person they cry, person they fight, you go let them fight. You go let the person fight. In fight. Post your pikin birthday address. Make you see me live and direct. You don't need to invite me. I go come free invitation. You never know me. If two people they quarrel, you come and say, if you don't feel settle your shots up. That's why they play for everywhere. All those people, leave the children out of this matter. I know the person picking. No the person born me. You know they cost my mama, cost my papa. It cost everybody within my family. You know they swear for my family. For I know. Who no fair to? If na me fair do you, I still swear for myself for inside. If na me fair do you, you go swear for person, you dey swear for yourself. I never see whether they swear for person, they swear for yourself. Oh, that thing when you talk say you do, so what would they call am for data? Add to me, this family so I swear for them. If that family so if you ever talk their matter, you know talk put. If that family they pass for years so you know talk put because you don't swear for them. And when I don't get boundary, you know mention the name again. Because you don't swear for them. I know I'll swear for you, but I'll do you something. I'm to you. I'm to you, but bring me. This thing I play since very good in this one. Very good, now they fuck you with kebab. Now your mama Toto. Am I Toto? Yes. I give her heart. Kebab even too cost. So that one. So I did that one saga anymore. I know they did again. You say Celestian. Even that Celestian when me post where they go deal with you. My uncle go deal with you. My Celestian go deal with you. My uncle go deal with you. My mommy go deal with you. If my daddy go deal with you, you go dey see him. Go be you like film. Different type of dealing. Okay, why this thing no corner? I'm gonna go parlor. I'm going to eat. Oh, yeah, water. You go see dealing, you go dey hear dealing. Later I do Perry, I'm not satisfied. Person wey swear for person, they talk am for maths. I know that you say you no swear. Oh, anything when you talk, I believe. I agree say you swear. Later I do Perry. Later I do Perry. Later I do Perry. Later I do Perry. Your prayer warrior. We come meet you to tell you say Perry do this one. Wait till I know do carry people for my head. She not tell you say she dey call Perry dey beg this morning. All of them no go see sleep. All of them no go see sleep. I'll leave you in the next 30 minutes. I no go see sleep. I never see the card. May you send the Italy card. I got eating domina, just fast food. I all put just do one. You know those papa indomina. I don't get time. I only get 1 hour break. I need to go back to work in the next 20 minutes. You don't get small for me now. You don't get small for me now. It's small for me now. Waiting. After the whole swear, where that one? Now you have shower, don't swear. And so, now me cut person face. The person see me, not recognize me. Now what you feel do, now you do, my guy. Now what you feel do, now you do. If you come meet me, Sophia, I'll beat you. I'll maga you. I go use both my 2 hands like this. I'll maga you. If you see face, they go as if you don't know me, oh, Sophie. Ah la la la, you don't know me. Oh la la. Huh. You don't know me, oh. I go maga you like this. Maga you. You be like him. No know me. That cousin. I don't swear for Perry. I don't ask you. Do your thing, I do my thing. But I don't swear for Perry. From today go on, I don't want to hear Perry. If he say if he rest, me go rest. Lie. I'm not resting. You cost my precious mother. I'm not resting. I make off a log a live video that day. I don't know whether you remember my voice, but wait, I really talk, really vex me. I really did sorry. I beg, if one carry no go, carry and go. No put my name, oh, I beg, go. I don't ask your name. I don't even know you before. I don't know your name. You don't dey cry. I beg. Go report me to police for this Europe. I will answer you. Report me to police for this Europe. And no guy will answer you. So I've pardon that. Take your picture while they post rest in peace. Screenshot them from my page. Go and report me that I posted a share for rest in peace. I will give you my name, my number, my address. Report me. I will answer you. I will answer you. Are you mad pass for social media? Nobody mad reach you. Eddie Murphy, where you curse Eddie Murphy. You curse Eddie Murphy. You say you fuck Eddie Murphy wife. You curse Eddie Murphy's children. You do everything. You know how many swear he swear for you. You never see anything. Mona no worry, but you go to come back. You wait away for my beg. Who go kill your pa? If I post what I do, Perry, social media go scatter, social media go cast. Oh my God, oh Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Social media go scatter. I don't want to even see her. As long as you talk for your mouth, I believe. Not truth you do one. May they go come today, may they tell me how they do waka. What's wrong? Paris, yes. I tell you, they give me now. Make voting screen when you call me. Make voting screen come ask me, say, Perry, now you give a no get my name. If I slap down while you're blind, you go just blind because she know what she do me. Make the voting screen come meet me, say, now they say you send a no get my picture. If I slap that girl, I go use bottle wipe in face. You go blind. You know serious again. And they craze. They come meet me. I apologize to DJ 2K yesterday because that boy, when my pikin died, he followed me reach from mortuary to cemetery. I apologize to that boy from my heart. For who no go kill that person, we will come ask me, say, Perry, you know, get say, man, so you will tell ask me, say, you know, get say. If you see that man, take talk again for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, man, not be me be Perry. You know, get say. Come my boss, come see. People who know me 3 years ago, people who know me 4 years ago, people who know me 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 7 years ago. Come see the way they tell me, say, you are a nice person, you love children. Because they know me. You dey crazy. They come me, they talk say you swear for me and my family. You dey mad. Who you be now? Want onto which level now? Onto which level in your game? Now France today for don't see to the end of this thing. Tete. Because na j'aime your day. And I dey work. Don't worry about it. Build the family house address. I get them. I'm not give a house. I get wife because they never reach my family. I get them. And they never go my family. I make I no go give them house because they no go fit find my family. I make them. Oh, same boys go me they go rape them. I go be like film. You know what Perry go fit do. This side they follow you the laugh. They follow you the joke for social media. So which level they carry my name, they go Nigeria, say you go swear for me. Who you be? Obuagbera. Ah God. I relax for a few minutes, I can go back to work, Jerry. You know they don't turn prayer warrior for you shoot your heads. But your children are God now. Your children not be God again. Nothing if it happen to them now. Why you can't pray for them? Why you can't pray for them? No. If Perry go chop which because of Perry, you fit chop which. Your head go carry which. Your head go fit carry him. Yeah. He say he suck dead body for a living. You suck your children dead body, go clear for your eye. You will see it and suck. Go clear for your eye. That's why how many days I don't they wait now whether if I sleep I no wake up. I go still wake up. I go say this way never see the work. I go still enter bicycle. They wait whether not to go jam me, break my 2 legs. Make the stress to the work. I see they wait whether my oga go call me for work. Say Perry, we don't sack you. I see they wait whether if I drink water now my belly will come they punch me or I will come they feel bad or I will come the hospital. Your swear never still get where it pass. Wow, boo! You know your baby mama matter be saying if I don't do it, no get finish. You go run, come live video, come apologize. I know who touch her. No, you go run, come apologize for live video. Now wait till we do and be asked. Mona no worry, Mona calm down. Call person. They will all call Juju man today for Nigeria. Make it all swear. For the whole for full family. You will all swear. My guy ain't okay. You don't know. I go walk home. I did break. I'll start around 1:30 or now. No, 1 hour, 30 minutes. I have 1 hour break now. I get. I don't understand. Only you want get. All those people wey be say they comment on my video when you carry the picture go post. All those ones still they swear for your children. Everybody they swear for your children. What are you talking about? Who the hell are you? Shut up. Must see France guy. Tomorrow I'll buy them, baby. I'll carry your children picture. I go photocopy and come outside. I go buy them, baby. I go carry needle like this. I go they choke her like this. They pray. They curse for a warm grave tomorrow. I go carry her tomorrow. Now you will see. I go go spiritual man stuff for Paris. Buy spiritual things. Do you what I'll do you for Europe. My family go do what they will do you for Nigeria. Because you talk to them. You don't talk to them now. Go say you don't talk to them. You talk to my family. Yes. Who started to curse mama and papa? Now you know okay. Who started to curse anything? Now you know okay. Now you start and your followers no one just admit. Say Okwale. Not from Okwale, not from Abo. Two of these places are not from Okwale Abo. Now no Abiocha. All of us na Abiocha, but not from Okwale. Not from Abo. Why Yaka? God punish you for that. I don't turn perigodi. He don't enter house. Na so Sarah they be. At least if maybe I'll come wake up in the morning, I'll come they find help. I need help, I can't work. This one, that. This social media, they make mouths. What they tell me yesterday, say you don't know anything. I can't pity you. I can't say right. So I give you 24 hours to apologize. You think say, and a child's play, not say they soap. Now Matt Perry they make. I show your callers tell you. Your callers no. Nobody for this social media know me reach house. Nobody. The ones who say they know me for Benin. I stay Benin for 8 months. 8 months now I stay Benin. Nobody know me reach house. Nobody for social media. My family don't carry phone. They call people. They tell them my story. They go. C'est pas possible. I'm from a very, very responsible family. The both family, my mother family and my father family, very responsible. You can't find them tailoring on social media. C'est pas possible. Not even my friends on social media. Not even people who say we gotta grow together for social media. You don't feel nowhere for come. C'est pas possible. Not possible. My friends will be saying we gotta grow together. You see that boy I post yesterday? That boy and my childhood friend, not even my family member, my childhood friend, we gotta grow together. That boy they see so. See my house, but they see their house. That boy no be data. That boy na confirm Igbo boy. That Celestian boy I post yesterday. Na confirm Igbo boy that boy be. Now the same Celestian church where they go. He sent me the video yesterday, so they pray for me for church. Now I post them. Now that boy be that boy I confirm Enugu boy. Now they see so. It's not my blood. We're not related by blood. We are related by friendship. Now we grow together. Now Miss Priceless, Enoge don't block you. Now make I see your comments for years since because you be Enoge supporter. I dey see your comments since you dey support Enoge. I'm surprised I dey see your comments for years since I not still send you because you're more fool. I know they fight commenters. If I not like your comments, I'll block the person. I know they fight with the comment person. Now so my own be. None of them, none of person when know me reach out go carry phone call you Enoge. We're not from place where we say everybody they color the mad. No. Responsible place now I come from. Those people who say they really know me. They don't feel come out for they don't feel come for your life with you. All those my childhood friends. Oh, we gotta go school before. No, why should go for grow? Now Sago college I go. May God punish you for that place. They tell me say this one, that one. Go ask questions. People will be saying, "Move with them for God and go." And okay, if you want to know something about me, just send people go or go ashuku. May you ask and say, "Who be TJ Wednesday?" That one, my auntie husband. Ask them for that one. Don't ask them for only that one first. We will start from there. Then I go send you go another place again. You still go ask another person. You the Chris? Who know you? They play that music. Maybe they hear my brother's name for there. Who know you in okay. They go use you do money ritual, nothing will stop. If you in Nigeria, for don't treat your fuck up since. For don't tie you, flog you up since. For God say you not in Nigeria. Say Europe, they insult everybody. We get that. Talk about it, talk about give me motor. It cost my children. You carry people children come outside, you say Ashawo. You carry people children come outside, you go say Central. You carry people children come, and at the Central you fit do. You carry people children come outside, you call them, you post their picture. You post their picture, you insult them, insult their family. You carry your godfather come outside that day, you curse them. You carry your godfather come outside that day, you curse them. You say you sleep with your wife. Matt, when you say they lie, you know, now you say they swear for me. Matt, when you say they lie, now you say they swear for me. Do you lie when your wife lie for my head? I sit down like this, I put off my hands, I say, quick. Why they yell lie? Prank when you call me around 2 in the morning. Say, Mama, no, they do prank for my head. I dey inside her, see me and Susan. Mama, they charge for live video. That prank, so you come, you say, I start prank. You say, I mean, donation the old boys wait to the police. You say, I donation my madam. And no, bring my madam come outside. Because I want to know my madam. Because I don't know her. I want to know my madam because I never know. Since when me take on this trip, I never say, one person come with me, say, Perry, bring money. Now me carry you come Europe. I never see, I never hear. Bring my madam come outside. No, we see her. What's my madam name? Post in picture. No, we see and say, now this woman carry perigold come. Is a prison. It's too small for me. Oh. I donation my madam. I donation boys. All the whole lie. You know what it means? Say you toss a person, carry person, give police. You know what that one mean? They go down for your children's head. Your children will pay with their heads. Your sins of you and your wife will kill your children. You will see and you will know. What nonsense. Now me, so that me tell you, say, how did they call her? Mama Yvonne get leg break. You don't get what you not talk. When me tell you this winter matter, I tell you say, winter, they always they winter name. They always they come out for Paris say he say this, he say that. Make he avoid friends. Wait, they say. I said because Stephen Alex tell me say winter they announce the name say Indonesia boys. So you can't even tell me say you know go tell winter and say na me talker. I tell me you tell and say na me talker. Because I wait till I go see fit tell and be that one say if your name they come up for it and say then avoid certain people say that they put your name for person and say now wait till me go still fit tell and be that as a friend. They carry my name, they go, they talk say, you say, I na me tell you say, DJ Tuki do this one. Yes, I talk. Now me carry DJ Tuki to baby mama. Matter can't give you. Matter we don't rain for Paris. You don't even rain finish before me here. Don't even rain finish. Because when I say the woman talk, I can't use that one to enter the woman body. You don't even rain. Go everywhere. Say the one, that one, go road talk, do that one. DJ Tuki come comment for your life, that right time. I write her. He tell me say sorry. I tell him say sorry. I know they talk with you, I don't feel defend myself. Oh. I know they talk with you, I don't feel do. And now they make you and your wife come outside. When they come outside, I ready. What do you mean no feel do? I know they talk and you know gay. Now can you see me so? I don't go ever lie for person head. I go tell you truth. If you don't have a lie for person head, you will not have a cash cruise. I can never lie on you. I can never lie on you. The minute you start lying on me, the minute your downfall, your calamity start happening, go and see your viewers. Look at your viewers. See how downfall you are going. You are going down. You are going down every day by day. You will see, you will know. Immediately you start lying on my head. I'm a girl who supported you as a friend. The time you say, you and your wife wake up, say, okay, I don't lie for my head. Your wife want to talk. You say, and I may start prank. She called for the prank and we did it. Those lies we want to blow. So when I listen and those same mouths, A girl of 20-something years old. You know, you say you are 40-something. Your wife say you 30-something years old. I accept. When I can't carry all this lie, cooker, put for my head. Then the same mouth when I let take cook the life for social media. When I go see carry the same mouth, they swear for me. Then the swear go work for my body. When I too some more. When I too small. When I too small, I swear to God. Or do you all lie? When you don't lie for my head, you will come outside and lie down and apologize for the lies you put on my head. Because you know why the lie no shake me. They say, when I carry my phone, I call the one way to prison. I ask and say, they say I put you for prison. You know what's in the point tell me? I record them, but I'm not going to play because I don't want to make you come lose trust on me. He said, who did prison? No, who put her for prison. He said, 6 months for prison. They don't know who put them for prison. Once they donation you for this country, the person will donation you, they go tell you, say, see who carry you come here. Now this person come here, come talk, say you can. I never come up for this my life. This my house with my leg. Someone go mess the father of my child. I spared him. I said, because why? I already have my documents. I was okay, make I do and now because I want documents. I get documents since 2018. When they give me my underage card, 2019, I complete 18. They give me 10 years documents. Now offer science straight up. Let me say I use people to collect documents. Now 2018, they brochure. All those ones don't come France. They don't come France. All those ones when they come France for year. When they come, I don't get documents. All those ones don't come France. They lie for my head. The same matter you tell lie for my head. You feel say you go take swear for me. You go walk. You know, you see now. You see now. Now you fair cost my pikin no. No be you fair cost my pikin no. Oh, who go kill your children? For you to lie for my head. Oh, who go kill your children? That lie go follow your family. You will know no peace. Your children will pay for your sins. Since your mouth no go fit keep quiet for social media. You will know no peace. Your children will pay for your sins. Since your mouth will be shut up. Social media. Even when you carry, say, you want to call saga Paris guests. And no get a make carry for right, you say, no saga them more. Because if this man will say, this matter, if he find you, call Germany. Let me tell you. I no advice to say, me, you know saga them. Make I post our chats. Now chat I for write you. You say, okay, you hear. You not talk the matter again. You post and say, you go talk, but you not talk again. Pack out the whole life when they this Paris. Put for my head. People when me don't know. You tell me they carry them after they give you. Sharon. Now that day I meet her, I see her face to face once for Belgium. I see her hug her, I kiss her. I say, sorry, sir, I contribute for your matter. Oh. Sharon, why I don't know. Now that day I see her. People when me don't know. People when you call their name for them when me know now. Evan Winter. The too cute for Stephanie Alice. Now I mean no. If the voltage say he had the knack, make voltage come meet me say Perry, you talk my matter. Make me and voltage mad. Make we crazy for social media. Make we mad for real life. Oh, go they kill now. Now me talk voltage matter. Yes, even if not me talk voltage, I talk your matter. Voltage, come meet me. Come meet me. Come meet me. Make we mad for social media. Oh, go they kill now. Ah, I dey fear now. Let my bag might go back to work. Come meet me, you ask me question. We will mad for social media. My matter when you don't fair. Man, no me and voltage. Who feel they talk each other matter? Voltage carry my matter for heads. You post me and you video me. Perry, you are so beautiful. I like you, Perry. You carry my matter, go talk. You know, can I go talk? Even if I talk voltage matter, I did knock my head and talk. I say, voltage, I talk your matter. If you want to die, voltage, come meet me. Come with me! Let me talk on. Let my shoe when they go walk. Cuba! Let I talk your matter. Come meet me. When I give me address for Paris, we will see each other. Come meet me. When I give me address for Paris, my fallout. See the soap. Let me tell you voltage matter. The same voltage when me post. I post her, I curse her. She call me, she apologize, no be gist. No be gist because she know what she do me. No be everything they talk for live video. Voltage know what she do me. I know they fight who no fights me. So pardon 30th. Even there I winter, so nobody still do me. Now I lock up because I'm not Martin. I don't talk AY matter. I don't fit talk bad for AY name because I don't fit fight for AY. And then I know say me don't fit fight for her. You know only for fight for her. You know only for stand for her. They pull life my head to make her shut up. You know that secrets. Someone wanna say so. Never see Chris. I don't understand. The Paris people come. The Chris. Foolish people. Life for my head. If it's a man, so you tell life for my head. You go feel and just swear for me, make it work for my body. You know they're possible. What kind of they come, they blow life for social media? Now you blow like pass. Now you blow like pass. Now you blow like pass for social media. Now you blow like pass for social media. Come life for my head finish. Life for my head. Say make I keep quiet. Even if I know talk to you, you're not supposed to reply. When you get now. I'm coming for your children. I don't care whether you feel come for my children. I don't care whether you feel come for Yvonne. I don't care whether you feel come for Yvonne or not. The fact will be say you lie for my head. Now that fact, I will take pursue your children because me, I'm the person picking. I'm the person picking. Where the my head is see. My con ready, my con go back to work, Javi. Who they breathe? I don't understand. So like blow life for my head. You like Perry. Perry is your goddaughter. You like her. Now you can't blow life. You can't blow life. You like me so much. Now you put all those life on my head. You like me so much. Now you put all those life on my head. I don't care about my voice, so because I just you know it's side I play. You like me so much. I so much like you. You like me so much. Matter when never reach anything. Paris, I want confess. Paris, I want confess. My parents, the donation people. You like me so much. Nobody you don't wait me. One time I meet the donation people before. And you will go join them. They're mad. I don't go swear for Perry. Don't go swear for Perry. Don't go swear for Perry. Blow lie. Everybody where they this Paris know who donation. No people where donation all those boys. They know people where donation all those boys. Everybody where they this Paris know. Why you don't talk and why enough they never come attack me say so now your hands work. Because they know we know who donation boys. Me know them. Even when people say me know them. Then even people I don't know before I see their name for paper say now this one talk about this one. I know them. We know them. We know who donation people. Huh? All those lie. I can't keep quiet. All those lie. You don't hate me now. You the lie from my head gone. You know the ready. Oh, we are paying. You're ready. I'm paying. Ready. Anyone walk up, put more. They walk up. They go. Ready, my darling. I beg. Ready, eh? Ready? I never see crazy. Don't go, eh? Ready, eh? You're picking birthday. If you hold man, no, I not be buried. You go know why they come in Perigota. You're picking birthday on the 19th. I'll give birthday presents. I'll give birthday presents. You will see me there. Better don't post the page. Better don't post your address. You post it, you're gonna see me there. Live and direct. You will know. You will see crazy. You will know. Dare not talk to me. When I'm fighting with someone, you dare not talk to me. You let me fight with that person. Because I don't call your name, put. Bastard. Post your picking address. You won't get viewers. You won't follow any of the fight. Post your picking birthday address. I will so deal with you and your picking. The voltage where you dey talk so. The voltage where you dey talk so. In donation Oluwaso. Now voltage so. Voltage where you dey talk so. In donation Oluwaso. He go talk am for there say na me. Now because of Oluwaso people and they quarrel. And voltage you know why people and they quarrel. I call am. I call am when you come and dey for police station. He dey lie to deny am. May I see her statement? Say my name there. The voltage so na in donation Oluwaso. Now you go there. You want to collect documents for Oluwaso head. I go carry all of Nanya to come outside for this matter because when I don't too call for you don't get live into. When I don't too call. I know all of you now where the nation those boys see. Una dey craze. Both the ones we go do am for secrets. I go call una name for live video. Voltage the nation also be no donation. I don't understand. Sagapano. Cannot rip. You cannot eat your cake and have it. Where is my bag? Did I leave it? I'm not taking my bag. Oh, where I put bag now? Can't see all this one. Paris. My Perry the nation. This thing other than they call. Perry the nation in Manda. I go up all of my ash. I will see something. Talk to that Perry. Saga where? Saga Perry. Saga Perry. Talk to her. Saga her. Saga Perry where? You go see what I'll call you, Abe. Abe, I'll call you. I might come back from work. Now we go work because I'm already late. I'll call you, please. Move your sister, I'll call you. Sister Abe, I'll call you, Abe. Now we go work, come back. Bye, guys. Continue in the evening.